Hey there, guys. Well, I picked up a lot of zippos today, like 55 of them. And the point of this video, I will show one of the ones I'm keeping, but these are all ones that I'm going to have for sale on eBay within the next probably 2-3 weeks. They'll all be on there. Probably starting within tonight, leading up 2-3 weeks. All these, you'll see them on there. If you see one you like, I'm going to go through them real quick, and if you see something you like, you can find it on eBay. I'm not going to talk about all of them because it'll take me forever. This one right here has a sticker on it, just so you know that's a sticker, it's not a graphic. This, yeah, I know it looks bad, but you can send it in and they will repair it. It's been pretty hammered. The guy I got them from, his friend had left this in a bucket of water in the back of his truck for a couple months, which appalled me, for one. Harley Davidson, Jack Daniels, Tennessee whiskey, black ice rosette, and the Mac Tools is not a real Zippo, but it's still a nice lighter. And that is not a real Zippo right there. But that was the purpose of this video, to show you that I'm going to have these for sale on eBay within, starting tonight probably, a couple of them, and then throughout the next week or two. So if you see something you like, go on there. Maybe you can get it. Thanks.